Good morning, John. How are you today?
Good morning, Sara. I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good too. Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept well. What about you?
I slept okay. I woke up a little early today.
Oh, really? What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 7 a.m. And you?
I woke up at 8. I was feeling very sleepy.
Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I had tea and bread. What did you have?
I had eggs and juice. What are your plans for today?
I will go to work at 10 a.m. And you?
I will go to the market. I need to buy vegetables.
Okay. Have a nice day, Sara.
Thank you, John. You too.